So we wait for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start the class.
सर इसका रिकॉर्डिंग आप भेज सकते हैं लिंक सर, जो भी छूट गया हम लोग जैसे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है तो बीच बीच में कट हो जा रहा था स्क्रीन, तो सर इसको दोबारा हम लोग देख पाएंगे?
These all recordings will be uploaded into the YouTube and the link should be shared with you, right?
ओके सर।
जनरल नेम
सर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में क्या बताए, समझ में नहीं आया।
Okay, just wait. I just want to admit people. After that, discuss about that.
लिखा ना 0 लेस देन थीटा, फिर वही समझ में नहीं आया।
Look at here, all the angles 0 degree to 90 degree है ना। सबसे छोटा एंगल है 0 डिग्री, यहाँ पे जो टेबल दिया हुआ है सबसे बड़ा एंगल है 90 डिग्री। सो थीटा अगर हम लोग एंगल समझ लेंगे तो एंगल विल बी लाइज बिटवीन 0 to 90। दैट इज रिटन हियर।
सर इंग्लिश में समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, हिंदी में बताइए ना अच्छे से।
बट आई डू नॉट नो हिंदी, आई एम नॉट लर्न इन हिंदी एंड आई एम नॉट speaking people also, and in your all those books and you have to write all those answer in English, so why should you go for Hindi? Any vernacular language is not accepted, right? So
एग्जांपल से बताएं।
when I will give the example, then it will be clear to you. Here that only the given table is here. This table is known to you, and here the values of angle is 0 degree to 90 degree. That is told by me. Okay, shall I start the class?
ओके सर।
यस सर।
Now concentrate to the board. Here the 4 coordinates are given here, x-axis and y-axis. Both are cut into the perpendicularly by 6 themselves. So in our trigonometry, how angles are measured? In our trigonometry, angles are measured when it is rotate anti-clockwise. When it is rotate anti-clockwise, then our angle is positive angle. Okay, anti-clockwise means in which direction the clock is rotated, it is just opposite of that direction, isn't it? Here I have given the arrowhead, it is anti-clockwise, the opposite of the clock. Actually clockwise direction is like that. Clock
यस सर।
rotating like that. When we taking the anti-clockwise direction, then the angle it is theta. When we taking the anti-clockwise direction, then it is the positive angle. When we taking the clockwise direction, then it is taken as negative angle. This is the fundamental thing of trigonometrical angle measurement. In trigonometrical angle measurement, when it is anti-clockwise, then it is taken as the positive angle. When it is taken clockwise, then it is taken as the negative angle. Is it clear? These two are fundamental. Anti-clockwise means positive, clockwise means negative angle. This is the fundamental thing. Now look at here.
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ऑल आर पॉजिटिव सर।
Look at here.
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ऑल आर पॉजिटिव.
Just try to listen to me. All will be discussed here. Now this part X O Y. This is called that X O Y. This is the first quadrant. X O Y. X dash O Y. That is the second quadrant. That is the first.
सर ऊपर वाला नहीं दिख रहा.
नजर नहीं आ रहा सर ऊपर वाला.
Just a minute. So from here we can see that YOX, that is the first quadrant. YOX dash, that is the second quadrant. Then X dash O Y dash. X dash O Y dash, that is the third quadrant. And X O Y dash, this is the fourth quadrant. Right? These are the four quadrants are given here. This X and Y axis perpendicularly bisect each other, and there are four coordinates formed. This X axis and Y axis is known as the reference plane. So YOX is the first quadrant, YOX dash is the second quadrant, X dash OY dash is the third quadrant, and XOY dash is the fourth quadrant. Is it understood by everybody?
Yes, sir.
All those things are taken into the anti.
Yes, sir.
Look at here. It is first, then it is second, third, fourth. If we take the rotation, it is all those things are in anti-clockwise. First to second anti-clockwise, second to third anti-clockwise, third to fourth anti-clockwise. So here anti-clockwise direction is taken, so the angle should be positive. Now we are going for some extra discussion. Look at here. In first quadrant, all trigonometrical ratios positive. In first quadrant, all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. So it is called all. In second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive. Sine theta and cosec theta positive. So it is called sine. In third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta, these two are positive. So it is called the tan. In fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta are positive. So it is called cos. In first quadrant, all the trigonometrical ratios are positive. What is the value of the angle in first quadrant? 0 to 90 degree. Right? Here in the bracket, I write down 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree is the angle measured in the first quadrant. For the second quadrant, it is 90 degree to 180 degree. In second quadrant, the angle measured 90 degree to 180 degree. In the third quadrant, it is 180 degree to 270 degree. And in the fourth quadrant, it is 270 degree to 360 degree. These are the angle measured in for first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Right? Here all of the quadrants are taken as 90 degree. Look at here, 180 minus 90, that is 90, 0 minus 90 minus 0, 90, 270 minus 180, that is also 90, 360 minus 270, that is also 90. So 4 into 90, that is 360 degree, one circular angle. We know that circular angle is 360 degree. So here total circular angle is 360 degree. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
in our trigonometry, we can measure the more than 360 degree angle. Yet now, which we have learned in our geometric process, where the highest angle was 360 degree, that is the circular angle. No? In our general geometry, we can measure the highest angle as 360 degree, which is a circular angle. But in our trigonometry, we can measure more than 360 degree angle. Like that, if one ray rotate one circular 360, again another circular, then 360 plus 360, 720, then again 360. So we can measure the n into 360 degree angle. N may be any integer. So if we take in 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot towards infinity, then we can measure in trigonometry infinite angles. Is it clear? In our general geometry, the highest angle measured by us that was 360 degree. But in our trigonometry, we can measure any kind of the angle more than 360 degree, and it is towards infinity. We can measure any kind of the angle in our trigonometry, and in our geometry, there was no concept of our negative angle, but in our trigonometry, there are concept of negative angle. When the rays rotate clockwise, then the angle is formed, that is called the negative angle. When the rays rotate clockwise, then angle is taken as negative angle. When it is anti-clockwise, then it is taken as positive angle. Is it clear? What is the fundamental thing differ from our general geometry and general trigonometry? In general geometry, the highest angle can be measured at 360 degree, but in our trigonometry, any kind of angle can be measured. And for our geometry, there was no concept of negative angle, but in our trigonometry, there are something different. Here, if the rays form the angle rotating clockwise, then it is taken as the negative angle. Is it clear?
No, sir.
सर
Here,
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ऑल ट्रिगोनोमेट्री उसके बाद क्या लिखे हैं
what happened?
ऑल ट्रिगोनोमेट्री
In
फर्स्ट
case
क्वाड्रेंट में से
of,
सर कुछ क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है सर बोर्ड में.
that is your network issue. I have seen clearly all those things, and some of the students also seen clearly.
नोट लेके भेज दिए ग्रुप पे सर.
Okay.
सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा अच्छे से.
क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? पहले पॉइंट करो,
ग्रुप में
कहाँ
भेजा है.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है?
ऐड करो.
In which point you are not getting? Please pinpoint it. Where you are not getting the. Please pinpoint here. Hello. क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? You have to listen properly and carefully.
सर एक बार फिर से समझाइए तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज और क्लॉकवाइज.
Where it is taken, the angle is like that, then it is anti-clockwise, then angle is positive. When it is measured in the clockwise, then it is negative. This is the main thing. One single word, anti-clockwise direction, angle form, that is positive angle. Clockwise direction, angle form, it is negative angle. A very simple one. So in first quadrant, all the angles 0 to 90 degree here. Here total 90 degree, 0 to 90 degree. If we take here to here, then it is the straight angle. We know that straight angle 0 to 180 degree. So here for the second quadrant, it is 90 to 180 degree. For third quadrant, it is 180 to 270 degree. And for fourth quadrant, 270 to 360 degree. This is the very simplest word I have told you. Now it is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we
Yes, sir.
want
Sir.
to measure some angles.
Sir, what are the uses?
We'll go for slowly here, right? All those things will be given to you.
ब्रो जो ग्रुप में एसेस भेजे हो उसमें मुझे भी ऐड करो तो.
You have got height and distance, na, in your class 10 syllabus. You have already
Yes, sir.
got
Yes, sir.
height and distance. What is the use of this height and distance? By this height and distance, what can we measure? Now, angle 450 degree, where it is situated, right? It is the positive angle, so we have to take the anti-clockwise direction. Look at here, 0 to 90 degree. Then this means we can write down 5 into 90 degree. Na? 5 into 90 degree, that is 450 degree. So first 90 degree, then again 90 degree, again 90 degree, again 90 degree, again 90 degree. So this angle situated in here. Angle 450 degree is situated here. Once rounding it is, again it is 90 degree. If we say that,
पॉजिटिव
yes,
पॉजिटिव में रहेगा नहीं सर?
obviously it is positive. So we are taking this anti-clockwise direction as it is the positive. So if you want to 390 degree, where it is situated? So if once it is coming anti-clockwise, then it is 360 degree. 390 degree, we can write down 4 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. Na? 390 degree can be written in this form. 390 means 4 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. Isn't it? Can I write this? 390
Yes, sir.
equal to 4 into 90 plus 30. Can you write this? 390 equal to 4 into 90 plus 30? 4
Yes,
into
sir.
90. So first, second,
Yes, sir.
90, 180, 270, 360 plus 30. Plus 30 here. So the angle is situated here in the first quadrant. Is it clear? The angle 390 degree is situated in the first quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? The angle 450 degree, it is situated into the first and second quadrant, the plus some 0 degree or some minus degree. You can take it either into the first quadrant or into the second quadrant according to your representation. Right? Now tell me the angle 750 degree situated in which axis?
75, 750.
750. Situated in which axis? Which
In
quadrant?
first quadrant. In first quadrant.
First
Not
quadrant.
with the right. Second quadrant.
Who is given the answer first quadrant? It is right. Because of that, it can be written that 8 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. Na? 8 into 90 degrees, that means we have to rotate two circular angles, where it is first quadrant.
How this first quadrant, sir?
Circular angle, that is one rotation, that means 360 degree. Two rotation, that means 720 degree. Then it is 8 into 90, that is 720 plus 30. First rotate 360, then 720 plus 30. So it is situated in the first quadrant. Now tell me this 690 degree situated in which quadrant? 690 degree situated in which quadrant?
Which quadrant, sir? This is
फोर्थ में
which
होगा सर
quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
First.
Fourth quadrant. It can be written that 7 into 90 degree plus 60 degree, na?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
it is once means 4 into 90, 5 into 90, 6 into 90, 7 into 90 plus 60. That means here somewhere it is. So this 690 degree is situated on the fourth quadrant. So by this kind of the rotation, we can at first which angle is given, we have to divide that angle by 90 degree, right? Which angle is given, it is divided by 90 degree. Then we find out like this form. Then it will be easy to make where it is situated. So today's class is over, I think. Next class also is there. So thanks to everybody.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Thank you,
please
sir.
send the YouTube
Bye,
link,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.